Andre Amyot, you can't say enough about the man, and I needed I, I needed Andre in my life at a specific time, and I believe that it was the best thing that I could have ever done is to grow a relationship with him. Um, he's changed my life in so many ways, professionally and personally, for giving me confidence and to be able to grow in my business. And this is something that he gives you fundamentals for life, and that's what's most important in everything, and teaches you the value of yourself mostly and believing in yourself. And he does it in a way that he just embraces you, and he welcomes you, and it allows you to shed all your fears and turn them into successes.